This room is too noisy. Excuse me, I have a problem with my room.
Hi there. What's the problem?
There's a lot of noise outside my window.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's your room number?
It's room 214.
Let me check. Ah, I see. That room faces the main street.
Yes, I can hear cars and buses all night.
I understand. That noise can be very annoying.
I couldn't sleep well last night.
I'm really sorry about that. Let's find a solution.
Thank you. Is it possible to change my room?
Yes, of course. Let me check our availability. One moment, please.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, I found some options for you.
Great. What are they?
We have a room on the 5th floor. It faces the garden.
Does it get noise from the street?
No, it's much quieter. It's on the other side of the building.
That sounds good. Is there another option?
Yes, we also have a room on the 3rd floor.
Is that room quiet too?
It's quieter than your current room, but it's near the elevator.
The elevator can be noisy too.
That's true. I recommend the 5th floor room.
How much extra does it cost?
The 5th floor room is a little more expensive.
How much more?
It's $10 more per night.
Okay, that's not too bad.
Would you like to move to that room?
Yes, please. I really need a good night's sleep.
I completely understand. Let me check if it's ready now. I'm sorry, but the room isn't ready yet.
Oh no, when will it be ready?
It will be ready in about 1 hour.
1 hour? That's a long time.
I know it's not ideal. I apologize for the inconvenience.
Is there anything I can do while I wait?
You're welcome to relax in our lounge area.
Is the lounge quiet?
Yes, it's on the 1st floor, away from the street.
That's better than staying in my noisy room?
I can also offer you a free coffee while you wait.
That's very kind. Thank you.
It's the least we can do for the trouble.
Can someone move my luggage to the new room?
Yes, our staff will take care of that for you.
Perfect. What time should I come back?
You can come back in about 1 hour.
Okay, I'll go to the lounge now.
Sounds good. I'll call you when the room is ready.
Do you have my phone number?
Yes, it's on your reservation. I'll text you.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
One more question. Are there any earplugs available?
Yes, we have free earplugs at the front desk.
Can I get a pair now, just in case?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
No problem at all.
I'll go to the lounge now.
Sure. It's just around the corner, on your left.
Thank you. See you in an hour.
See you soon.
It's very peaceful here. I can finally relax a little. I hope the new room is much quieter.
Excuse me, are you Mali?
Yes, that's me.
Good news! Your new room is ready.
Already? That was fast.
Yes, it only took 40 minutes.
That's great. Thank you for letting me know.
Your luggage is already in the new room.
Wonderful. What's the room number?
It's room 512 on the 5th floor.
Perfect. How do I get there?
Take the elevator to the 5th floor, then turn right.
Okay, thank you.
Here's your new key card.
Thank you. Do I need to return the old one?
Yes, please leave it at the front desk.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
I really appreciate your help today.
It's my pleasure. I'm glad we found a solution.
I'm going to check the room now.
Sure. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Thanks again, Jack.
You're welcome, Molly. Have a great evening.
This room is so quiet. I can't hear any traffic at all. The garden view is beautiful too. I think I'll sleep very well tonight. I'm so relieved. Excuse me, front desk?
Yes, how can I help you?
I just wanted to say the new room is perfect.
I'm so happy to hear that.
It's very quiet, and the view is lovely.
That's wonderful news.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're very welcome. That's what we're here for.
Is breakfast included with this room?
Yes, breakfast is included every morning.
What time does it start?
It starts at 7 and ends at 10.
Perfect. Where is the restaurant?
It's on the ground floor, near the lobby.
Thank you. One last question.
Sure, go ahead.
Can I request a wake-up call?
Yes, of course. What time would you like it?
7:30, please.
7:30 tomorrow morning. I'll write that down.
Thank you so much for everything.
You're welcome. I hope you have a peaceful night.
I'm sure I will now.
If you need anything, just call the front desk.
I will. Good night.
Good night, Molly. Sleep well.